This is a common failure in the private pallet check ride.
Here we are looking at the Winds Aloft chart. First, I'm going to have you read the number in the top left in the first column.
Winds are coming from 230 at 27 knots.
Okay, perfect. Why is this one missing numbers?
It is missing wind speed data and temperature because it's within 1,500 feet of the altitude listed at the top.
Why are we missing a number here?
We are missing temperature data because the airport is within 2,500 feet of the altitude listed at the top.
Read this one for me, please.
Winds are coming from 310 at 91 knots, -39 degrees.